Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my home remodeling business plan templates. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what I'll do is walk you all through my home remodeling Word document, which includes the business plan for home remodeling, and then also the financial model, which is in Excel. I'll show you the components of what's included in the home remodeling financial model. And once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me, let's go ahead and talk about the home remodeling business plan template. So if and when you do purchase my home remodeling business plan template, it does come with a Word document, which includes the actual business plan, and then it also comes with an Excel model or Excel file, which includes the financial model. For the first portion of the video, I'm going to cover the home remodeling Word document. In the second portion of the video, I'll briefly touch on the Excel file or the financial model. All right, so when or if, like I said, if you do purchase a home remodeling business plan template and you open up the Word document, you are going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of the wording, home remodeling. They'll put their logo here, and then underneath, they'll keep the words business plan. The next page is going to be a table of contents. So as you go through the business plan and you update it, you add more information, make it your own, then what you're going to want to do is come back to the table of contents, click on the table of contents, click on update table, click on update entire table, click on OK, and then all of your headers and all your page numbers will update accordingly. Your next section is going to be your executive summary section. In this section and throughout the business plan, anywhere you see yellow, that's where you're going to want to read and put your information in there. And for this section right here, it starts off with the remodeling summary. Then it goes into the target market, financial highlights, the financial numbers, what can come from the financial model. Once you update that information, then you can extrapolate this information from the financial model. And then it also has a funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started, the term, and the interest rates expected by yourself. The next section is going to be your company description section. Again, your remodeling summary would be right here. Then your popular services you're offering, you'd add your information here, provide some details to what you do. Next section is going to be your competitive advantage section. Again, read through that. Then we have our primary target market, our pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and then we got a brief strategic plan in here as well, and that's under your business objectives and timeline. Just tell the reader where you expect to be in about 3 months, 6 months, and then a year. The next section is going to be the industry analysis, and I get all my industry research from IBIS World. IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. So what I do is I go to their report, and then I extrapolate important information from that report and I put it into my template. Some of the information that I've extrapolated would be revenues, profits, profit margins for the industry, businesses, employment, and then wages for the industry as well. Next section is our SWOT analysis. This is your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And to update this smart art table, you'll just click on the smart art, you'll click on the arrow, and anywhere you see the bullet points, that is where you're going to update that information. Your next section is going to be your organizational structure, and the organizational structure is broken up into 2 segments, which is your ownership segment and then your smart art segment. In the ownership segment, just update it with your information. In the smart art, again, you'll click on it, click on the arrow, and then you'll update this information accordingly. The next section is going to be the marketing section. Typically, the home remodelers, they're going to be advertising in 3 general channels, which would be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. So I give you a real good start for each one of those channels. Again, make this information your own. It's an editable document. Funding request, and in the funding request, take a look at anywhere in the yellow, read through the funding request. Pretty much the gist of it is how much money do you need to get the party started, terms expected, interest rate expected, and from there, you're off to the races. Financial projections, all this information is copy and pasted from the financial model, which we'll be covering in just 1 second. But the information you'll be able to copy and paste would be your profit and loss year 1, which is going to cover month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then also your pro forma income statement, which is going to cover your revenues, your expenses, and your net income for the next 5 years. And this is on an annual basis, and this information can be copied from your financial model. And mentioned in the financial model, this is the financial model that is also included in the business plan template for the home remodeling industry. So once you open up the financial model or the Excel file, you're going to have 4 tabs, your information page. Anywhere on this tab, you're going to go ahead and update. This is where we're going to make all your updates for the financial projections. Anywhere in darker colored cells, that is where you're going to update your information. So you'll have, in the segments that you can update would be your daily sales, your labor, startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, which includes your tax rate, growth rates for year 1 through 5 for revenues, and then growth rates annually for your fixed cost, and then your loan information right here. Anytime you update this information, it will automatically update your projection tab, which is just a summary of your financial projections. It'll also update your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, as well as each quarter, broken into a monthly basis. And then also it will update your income statement, the financial statement, the income statement. And once you're done with updating all your financials, then you're just going to go ahead and copy and paste each one of the financial statements into the Word document. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.